Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Sendlane on your timeline and the on-registration options available once it is successfully activated. Once you're logged into AEvent, let's open our timeline and click on the Integrations section. Look for Sendlane. Toggle the switch to add or enable it for our timeline. Once enabled, we can now access the integration settings by clicking on the gear icon. From here, you can see the on-registration options for Sendlane. Tick this box to add registrants to a list upon registration. You can select a list or select a tag you want registrants added to upon registration. For this video, let's enable both. Click on the drop-down arrow for list and choose your desired list. The same with tag. Select your desired tag from the list. Once you're done, click on Update Settings at the bottom to save your changes. This is also where you can add or select the custom fields you want for your personalization values for Sendlane. Once you add or select these custom fields, AEvent will pass on these information to Sendlane. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you liked watching this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.